Hi everyone, it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. Starting off a new vlog. Hello, how are we doing? It is Saturday, February 17th. I had to think off the top of my head what day it was. Actually 3:30 in the afternoon. I just finished doing some YouTube and TikTok and Instagram stuff, which I still need to do a few more things. And I also went and did grocery shopping and all that fun stuff. I got a package in the mail that I wanted to show you guys because I'm really excited about it. You guys down anywhere, excuse the mess in the background. We have to clean our room after this, but I'm probably gonna get questions. My top is from Fashion Nova 2 years ago maybe. If you guys haven't seen my Temu haul that I just posted yesterday, I got these lashes, and these are the lashes. Let me take them out of this plastic. These are the lashes that I got, and they're half lashes because I've been on a half lash kick because I just feel like they're easier for me to put on, and I feel like with the shape of my eyes, it's just, I don't know, it just looks better. So here they are. I have them on. You guys can see how they look. I really like them because they just look natural. It just looks like my natural lash, but better. I'm a big fan of Love Island UK, and I follow a lot of those Love Islanders on Instagram and follow them because something about the UK cast members versus the USA cast members, they just hit differently. Love Island here is really not that popular, but I feel in the UK it's really popular. So I usually follow all the Love Islanders in UK, and I just, stay up and keep up with them. And obviously we all love Molly May and Tommy. And honestly, one of my favorite Love Islanders is Millie from, I forgot what season they are. Season 7. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. But if you guys know, Millie won with Liam, and I loved them. They were my favorite. I liked Lucinda, and I liked Chloe as well, but Millie has been my favorite. So obviously I still follow her on social media, and I love her fashion. Her fashion is completely opposite of my style. I'm very much black through and through. I wear black all the time, and she is always one of those people that says I rarely wear black. Why I just am drawn to her style, I don't know, but she always has the cutest accessories, and I just love the vibe. So she had these Fendi hoops on. I've seen her wear them a lot. I see she has different styles. She has them silver, and she has them in gold, and then she had ones that were rhinestones. So I think the real Fendi hoops are maybe $400, maybe $500. I don't even know the exact price of them, but they're expensive, and I love jewelry, but I just can't justify spending that. So I went over to DHgate to find these hoops, and I found them, and these are the Fendi hoops that I've been looking. Now it took me some time to find them, and I will link them down below for you guys, but here they are. These are, let me see if I could show it with them because I know my nails are kind of long. These are the Fendi hoops that I got. DHgate. Here they are on. How adorable are they? They come in gold, silver, and then they have ones that are rhinestoned. I will link them down below, the ones that I got. Yeah, but super cute. Anyways, got those, so I'm excited. Right now I'm gonna clean up my room a little bit, and then I'm gonna start editing. Hi guys, so it is a Sunday morning. It's 10:30-ish. Yeah, 10:35. I just got back from the gym, took a shower. Hair's in a bun because it's not hair washing day, so we just threw it back into a bun. I'm drinking a Core Power chocolate protein shake. That's what I'm having for breakfast today because I just really need to get my protein up. And I am now gonna start editing my Cupshe haul, and I have a few TikToks that I have to edit as well, and I have to fix a Shein TikTok that needs codes and stuff put onto the screen, so I have to do that, and that video will be up tomorrow, so you guys will be seeing that video before this one. So I really liked the Shein haul, and I feel I'm finally feeling comfortable again to get back into fashion. I feel for a while I took a really big break because I was feeling really inspired, and I also just was at a really low point in my overall appearance, and it's something that I struggle with, is body image. And I've been struggling with it for most of my teen into now my 20s, which is crazy to think that I'm gonna be in my last year of my 20s, but regardless, I've just been kind of like going through these cycles of loving how I look, hating how I look, loving how I look, hating how I look. So it's just been back and forth. So I'm really just trying to take this year to focus on myself and my goals. I'll probably show you guys what I'm eating throughout the day just to include it in the vlog because I get a lot of questions. And if you don't follow me over on my Steph Fitness Journey Instagram, it's linked down below. That's where you'll see my day-to-day workout posts, my day-to-day meals that I'm eating, and anything else that I feel like talking about that's related to fitness and health is over on that Instagram. So definitely follow me over there if you're interested in that type of content. But yeah, so we're gonna start editing, get this stuff done. Okay guys, it's later in the day. I'm sitting down to have lunch, so I figured I'd just show you guys what I'm having. So I'm having, me and my mom are actually splitting a Caesar salad pack from the grocery store. It's already like those pre-made salads. These are my favorite because they're super quick, really easy, and if you're lazy like I am to cook, it helps. And I just like meal prep chicken up like a few days before. And then I'm just having like a little side of leftover protein pasta from yesterday with some shrimp, just because I'm really hungry and that's what I want to eat. And then I also was just having a pink lemonade Crystal Light in a water bottle, and that's what I'm having for lunch. Okay guys, so just got the mail and a package came. This is a designer dupe bag. It is from the brand Coe Bags. I will link their information down below, as well as a coupon code if you guys want to shop their website. The shipping was super fast, and like I said, all the information that I have will be listed down below in the description box. So let's open this up because, where did I put the scissors? I'm on my lunch break at work, so I'm trying to get this done, and my mom's sitting over here watching me struggle.
No, I'm not. I'm looking at something. I told you I would open it.
Yeah. Okay, be right back while I get this open. Okay, 10 minutes later, we get the box out of the box. As you guys can see, it is a Dior bag. This one I'm really excited about because I feel like it's gonna be the bag of the summer. I mean, I feel like everyone's had this bag for a while, and I really like it. I've really been into Dior's stuff and their bags. So I really like the print. Like even the print on this box, I really like. So I'm excited about this one. Guys, I am struggling with these packaging things today. This is a huge box. So with all the bags that you order, you do get the box. They have different designers on there, so definitely go check them out. They'll have whatever designer you want. And look at this really nice Dior bag that they give you with it. Look at the print on it. So detailed and pretty. Love that. Here is the bag. So you get the dust bag, which I like. Always keep the bags in the dust bag. Ooh. Here's the bag. So it is in that classic Dior print that just has all, you know, like the little, oh, it's so nice. It's like all stitched. This is the sides, the back. So I'm gonna take off this plastic up here at the top. So we don't want that on there. It's me against packaging today because I can't even get this tape off. What?
It's me against packaging.
It is. So in the little bag, you do get like the little Dior like receipt, little thing on it. Let me open it. So it gives you like the card, the little booklet, and just is that on it. And here is the inside. Push this down so you can actually open it up. So here it is. I would probably use this as like a travel tote, a beach tote. I just, oh, it's so cute. I feel like it looks really big. I mean, it's a pretty decent size. It's a good travel bag. I really like this. I love all these styles. I always see all the housewives on the show have this bag, and I think it's so pretty, and I love just the design of it. So they had different options as well, but I just decided to go with the classic style. So this is the bag that I got. Let me show you guys some up close detail. You can see the stitching in there. Here's the back. Really nice bag. So if you guys want to get your own from Coe Bags, I will leave the information down below in the description box, as well as a coupon code that you guys can get some money off if you buy something on Coe Bags. The quality on this is A1. Like, the detail on here is so good. You can tell the stitching is just pristine quality. It feels luxurious. Like, I love this. I cannot wait to start using this. Spring and summer is coming. Winter is gonna be over very soon, so this is gonna be the bag of the season. Hi guys, happy Saturday. Today is February, I almost said March. It is Saturday, February 25th. I am up and ready to go to the store. I have some errands to run. Saturdays are like my errand run day, so that's when I get mostly out of the house because I work from home, so like I don't always go out of the house every single day. So I like to get out on the weekends to, like, you know, have some human interaction. So actually I'm heading over to TJ Maxx. I'm gonna go shop a little bit. It's my mom's birthday on Wednesday, so I want to go get her a birthday gift and like pick up a couple things, like a cute card and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm also going to head over and get gas in my car because it needs gas. It freaking snowed last night, which Mother Nature. Chicago is done with the cold. We want summer, okay? Yeah, so I'm gonna go do that, and the entire car ride I'm gonna be jamming out to the Jonas Brothers' new song, Wings. If you haven't listened to it, go listen to it. It's amazing. I wanted to get this stuff done early this morning because I have to film a video, and then I have a nail appointment around 5:45. So that's the agenda for today. Good morning, everybody. It's been a few days since I vlogged, but it's Wednesday, March 1st. Today is my mom's birthday, so I'm gonna go ahead. I already went to the gym this morning, took a shower, went to the store to get my mom some fresh flowers. So here is her birthday gift. Getting her a Coach handbag. I got her these Sweet Tart jelly beans, and I also got her an Amazon gift card. And then this morning I picked up these fresh flowers from Jewel. So I'm gonna go downstairs, have breakfast with mom, and yeah, get ready for the day. I do have to work, and so does my mom, but yeah, I will chat with you guys later and show you guys what I got her. But my mom hates being on camera, so I know my mom's watching. Hi mom, happy birthday. I love you so much. Thank you for always being there for me and being my best friend, and I love you so much. Words can't even describe. Happy birthday. Hope you have the best day ever because you deserve it. And yeah, so you guys know my mom doesn't like being on camera, so we're gonna respect Mama Carollo's wishes and go give her her gift. Okay, hi guys. So I vlogged yesterday, I think in the morning, very briefly, just saying that it was my mom's birthday. Mom's over here. She's not gonna be on the vlog because you guys know, right mom?
Right.
So I didn't get to show you guys what I got my mom for her birthday, so let me show you. When I went shopping, which you guys saw earlier in this vlog, I got my mom this bag at TJ Maxx. It's a Coach bag. I thought it was so cute. My mom's been wanting a small bag like this, so this is what it looks like. Got it at TJ Maxx. It comes with the strap. This is the inside. So cute. Like I said, I got a gift card. We also got her these jelly beans, the Sweet Tart ones. You guys know they're my favorite, and she likes them too, so we got them for her. And I'm gonna have some right now, actually. Hi guys, editing Stephanie here. I realized that I didn't do an outro for this video. I have one of those pimple patches. They're from Amazon. They're linked in my Amazon storefront, actually. I swear by them. If you have a huge pimple, just go ahead and put it on there and it will be gone. But I wanted to end the vlog because I didn't end it. This was kind of a long vlog. I don't know how much is gonna go into it and what's not. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me some requests that you guys would like to see on my channel for the next couple of months. I really am trying to push doing YouTube more and more and more, and I'm just trying to stay consistent. So let me know what you guys want to see on this channel, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Bye.